Hello and welcome to the Binding of Isaac. Today I will be back. Hopefully it will be okay, because last time I got interrupted, as you may know, if you watched the last episode. Today we're gonna play as Maggie. Okay, so I'm going to take this a little slower, if you know what I mean. Only people who know what Maggie's special ability, well, not special ability, harm is, will know better, because Maggie is slower than the other characters. But that's just, this is kind of a tutorial, okay? So I'll go with this. Here is a curse room. If we go in, we'll just go in. This is a red chest, we open it. Bombs, they aren't really good. This is a secret room, and that is really lucky. I'm just going to explain the very basics of this. Okay, so basically, that is a, well, no, I'm not gonna do it. Stop. Wait, let's just begin playing Isaac. Sorry. Blood rights. I don't really think blood rights is that good, so I'm not gonna take it. But okay, so why I haven't uploaded a video last week? It was because my voice didn't work, let's just say that much, because I couldn't even talk. It was really bad. You may be able to hear it now, but it's not as bad as it was back then. Also, an update is 1001 Spikes is a game that I now own. I will maybe make a series. I don't really know yet. I think I will want, but well, not in the near future, but soon maybe. And also, well, I can't be sure about that, but I'm gonna try and make a U4 let's play. Well, I'm gonna try to revive the EU4 let's play. And also, the reason why I'm not gonna do, why I'm not doing all these, why I'm not recording forward, it's because if I do that, then, well, you won't hear my new thoughts, and that is really what this show is about. This is an kind of update show, and also Rebirth updates. Talking about those, there has been another update. So check that out if you will, and another update is coming tomorrow if you are American. Yeah. Okay, so let's go down. We couldn't go through the shop because we didn't have 15 cents. Well, you don't need to have 15 cents to go there, but it just helps a lot, because that means you can actually buy the special item that's in there if it's not, well, half price. But that's just good. And we're pretty lucky if you can be able to do that. So we got the meat. Meat is a really good item. Well, one of the, I really like it because, first of all, it's a little damage up. It's also an HP up, and it's also a speed up, I think. Yes, also a little speed up, and we need speed ups. Right. And also, yes, I know that we aren't going to be playing as all the characters. I will try. I don't really remember how many of the characters we get to play as, but I think there are 3 weeks to go until Rebirth comes out, and that will be a nice day. Let's just say that. I've been waiting all night for you. Sorry. I'm just really hyped for Rebirth. Okay. Well, that's not really much to comment on, so I'll just let you enjoy the music if you can hear it. I don't really think you can. Well, I have to talk louder, I think, because I'm talking really, really low right now. I shouldn't be doing that because, well, YouTube 101. I've been on YouTube for so long, I should know this now. If you don't know, my other channel, Die 2 Venner. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. FYI. Come on. We also have a soul heart that's protecting a devil chance. So hopefully we'll get a deal with the devil. Nice shot. Okay. I just realized we had enough money to go to the shop. So we're gonna go to the shop now. That's not really that good. But we'll take it anyways. Hopefully we get some good pills. That's not a good pill. That was really bad. I would rather not have taken that. Let's just get a bomb. So we can blow. Nah, let's not. Let's not blow it up because we can use our 2 bombs to find the secret room maybe. So, okay. So if I had to say right now, if I had to place my bets, I would say we get a devil deal on this floor. Lord Junior, you are is. You are is. I figured out a strategy for Larry Junior. So he's is. Well, if you're not really bad, of course. And it's not really. I haven't figured it out actually. Agro Midget Saw figured it out. Then poop. There we go. Now, so basically the strategy is if he's on the top half of the screen, then his next move will be down. So you can be assured that he isn't going to attack you. Right here, I can just. Whoa! Calm down. Wait. Maybe it doesn't work 100% of the time, but that's the general dish. And if he's on the lower half, his next vertical move will be up, and you will just be camping. Oh, that's good. You'll just be camping down here, and when Larry Junior comes down there, you go up to the sides and around. Well, this is not good. Should I take that? Why not? I tried something. I wasn't sure if it would work, but I tried it and it didn't work. So I take that as a no-no. Okay, so we're gonna play this blood bank a little. Come on. Why did I even go in there? There's not even any hearts in there. Why did I do that? Wait. Let's just do this. That's good. There we go. Now we have enough money for the next shop. And maybe a devil deal if we're lucky. I think it's there. Well, at least we got 2 cents out of it. We're gonna go in here. That is definitely worth it. Just gonna use the bomb glitch if it doesn't work, which it did. And there. Okay. So what I'm thinking is right here then. And explode. Yep. I was right. And that is a lot of money. Well, why not? Actually, I can see why not. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna to get this life over here. There. and then this life over here, where the boss is at. And then we'll go down to the next floor. So I would say the game hasn't given me anything good, but not anything, but it hasn't really screwed me over as much as it has before. So get that one and go down to the next floor. Okay, first of all, shop 9 volts. Yes, why not? And we'll also immediately get a charge. Not because our spacebar item is amazing, but just nothing to sneeze at. Also, I think we'll have a pretty hard time down here in the catacombs, as we will not be doing a lot of damage at all. Maybe if you're really lucky we can get a devil deal. Hey, come on. There we go. Finally. The only attack I'm worried about is his diagonal 8 shots attack, because I like to be right up in his face, and you can see why that doesn't work out. Oh, that's good. Yes. A very healthy run, you might say. But I'm not really that happy for life if I don't have that much damage. And that's why I took the Sister Maggie devil deal, because I just needed more damage. The tears down really really put me back, so I wasn't really that happy about it. And I hate this room, and I actually didn't take damage, surprisingly. And I still have a devil deal chance. I think. I may not. I may just be crazy, because I think if you take it on basement 2, you can't get it. You can only get it on caves 2, and well, you can't get it on depths 2 or room 2. Well, I don't really know, but we have to take no damage here, and that is looking pretty unlikely. Hold your horses there. You can't shoot 3 at once. That's not allowed. I am the worst Isaac player of all time. I have no excuse. That was just so bad. I saw it coming from a mile away too. He shot from one end of the room and hit me. Well, there I had no choice, but come on. Am I really that bad? At least thought I was good at Isaac. Well, now our chance is exactly nil. Nil, zero, nil. No, zilch. Sorry. Okay, now this fight is gonna get a whole lot easier. And I feel like the money is worthwhile, so I won't spend it on shops. But should I open shops is the real question. Because if I open shops, I might find something that's really good. Like maybe let me just think. Habit, maybe. That habit would be amazing, for example. So if I maybe got habit in a shop that I opened. So wait, I don't even know what I'm saying. But this will protect us. so that'll be good. Hit bomb for that. Okay. Oh, there are 2 possible places, and it's not there. That's not good. So now we can check in our cursor, and nothing more. I feel like this is a long run. I don't know why. Maybe it just is a long run. 2 soul hearts. That's really good, because they will protect us. Could not have asked for more. Oh, so we are looking for money. We can't get that. We can't get that, sorry. So we're looking for money. We can't find it here on this floor. So let's go down to the next floor. Catacombs 2. Wait, what? I thought... what? I don't know why, but I thought we were going down to the depths already. Well, may just be me. Who knows? Ooh, close. Close. Close, close. Too close for comfort. I think that's worth a bomb. Maybe there's a secret room here, so I'm gonna do it there. And there's not. So that's good to know. And a bomb for a key and half heart. That's good. That's a good trade, I would say. This? Okay. No, why did I do that? I just realized we need to have a devil deal. So I need to not take damage. Well, soul hearts don't count, but still, this will decrease our chances. Nevertheless. Well, decrease our chance of decreasing our chance to get a devil deal. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm looking bling. I'm exactly like every pop star nowadays. Really dumb with a lot of bling. That's just perfect. I've always wanted to be a pop star. So maybe we'll get a red chest when we complete. Who knows? And a little bit of damage up. I hope we can just amass so much money. Much money. Wow, much happy. Wait just a second. Wait! Is that joke dead? Is that joke dead yet? Sorry, that joke is dead, sorry. I hate it when that happens. You're just going to try and make a joke. But no. Can't do it. Internet ran it into the ground again. God damn it. God damn it, internet. Always say goddamn internet. Always. Always with the internet. Wait. The chance is looking good. Can someone please explain? Can someone please explain to me why that did not happen? No, my brain is... Wait, sorry. Wait, let me just think about what I did. I'm just gonna show you something quickly, okay? Just look here, okay? Here is the money of Isaac. So many hours, How am I that bad still? Like, seriously. Jesus. And now I have to do it full screen. There we go. Wait. With that out of the way, let's continue. No. Okay, he shot. He didn't shoot my way. Nah, man. It's not worth it, man. Well, contrary to my last run. What are you gonna be? A health down. Oh, okay. I almost got deja vu of another run. Wait, so this is pretty awkward. Wait, now we will get a deal with the devil. Same room? Okay. Oh, come on. I'm so bad at this game. And it's not because I'm not consistent enough. If I fail 100, like 1 out of 100 times, then I'm bad. Okay? And I'm trading damage for an item, yes. If he would give me an item. I don't need temperance. Well, I do, but wait, come on. Too many health ups. Let's get another one. Why not? I don't see why not. Wait, this town is taking damage. I really hope this doesn't count as taking damage. But I have health to spend. Just give me what I want, and we can get this over with. And the last one. Okay, so now we're gonna get health. We can't get that one. And I'm not willing to go lower. I will be back. Wait, do we have riches? Oh my god, we have riches. Like the only good item we've got on this run. Money equals power. Amazing. I love you. Oh, come on. Alright, this just got real. Open. Super troll bomb. No thank you. So I'm actually been playing Isaac daily now, and I've actually gotten pretty good at it, which is nice to know. I'm getting better at a game that is hard. Okay, if I don't get a deal with the devil, at least I got a devil item. If you don't count money equals power. Wait, take it! No! I'm just so slow. It's the problem. Well, and also I don't even have any bombs. Dude, I only need, like, I don't know, brimstone. Then I could brim snap my way through the entire game. Well, actually, I'm trying not to brim snap. Only if I'm trying to get an achievement, I will do it. Because, yeah, I don't like glitches. That won't be there in Rebirth. Okay, so I'm not a fan of this. Couldn't you just have given me the mark? Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do, I'm playing the blood bank as much as I can to get more money, to get more damage, to get more life, to get more money. Well, you get the idea, but yeah, this room is really bad. So I will pray to whoever God I may know that I don't die. That would be really anticlimactic. Sorry, my good friend. But wait, come on, man. Go. I have red tears, but I don't really feel like they're doing much damage, to be fair. Wait, come on. No, this way. Good. Oh, you sneaky bastard. Wait, so he's dead. Now this will be easy. There we go. I will never, ever get in there. That was close. That was bad. No! Why did I? Let's just think about the situation. Wait, what is... There it is. No, wait, what? Wait. Come on, man. There we go. Wait. So now we're done. I died in the depths. It seems like I just can't show your mom, can I? Ain't just won't let me do it. Well, contrary to my last run, this run I actually got really bad items. I took a risk and my play didn't live up to it, so that is it. The Isaac episode for this week. Maggie, I hate you so much.